Lucas Complete Engine Treatment is a unique formula that cleans and lubricates multiple systems to improve efficiency and extend the life of engines across a wide variety of applications. Lucas Complete Engine Treatment is designed for use in 2-stroke and 4-stroke engines in all types of vehicles and equipment. From tractors to motorcycles, boats, and the car you drive to work, this is the all-in-one cleaning solution for any engine, large or small. When added to fuel, it cleans and lubricates the entire fuel system from the tank to injectors. It removes deposits, protects against corrosion, and lubricates the upper cylinder walls as well as the compression rings and oil rings. All this works to help fuel the burn more completely and increase power. Special Lucas additives in this treatment cause the fuel to burn more thoroughly to create fewer exhaust emissions and restore MPG. It also counteracts the corrosive effects of ethanol in fuel to prevent long-term damage to your engine. When added to engine oil, it reduces friction and wear inside the engine. It protects metal parts from corrosion and improves the flow of oil in cold weather conditions. Lucas Complete Engine Treatment can be safely used full-time for maximum preventative maintenance, which translates to about every 5,000 miles. Like every Lucas Oil product, everything you need to know is on the label. For more information, visit us online at lucasoil.com or give us a call at 800-342-2512. Premium additives for innovative solutions. That's the Lucas Oil product specialty.